Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9424. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But the publisher has indicated it with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box or boxes. I see here 2 single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? I see only 1 dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Do we have here Oh, here we have another dual box. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left and 3 in this triple box supposed to be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5, well, we have the 4 in the same area. So it can be 4 here. So only 1 digit left, should be the 5. Here, another triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and 1, 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box. This is the box near the middle box. Should be 4 or a5. This box should be 4 or a5. Well, we have the 5 already in this same area. So it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. The other side of this triple box is already filled in, the 5. Okay, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. And I missed this dual box here. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, can I fill this yet? Insufficient information right now. Let me go back to this dual box. Well, can I fill this yet? Let me mark those. 1 and 2. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, how about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case is a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more L shapes? Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Do we have more? Yeah. One more. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see the Z, or if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S here. Another. If you rotate this, you will get the S. But it's the same shape, figure, structure, or construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. But also in the Z construction, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction here, another one. It's the S if you rotate this, but it's the same shape. This box has the same number as that box. It's already filled in, the one. But also that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Oh. Well. Should be here, so. Let me come on. Okay. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Here, the same shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the T shape is missing here. Yeah, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then let me think. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L shape area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. Let me think. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and the oh no, we already have a 4 here. Mistake. Well. Lucky that I've noticed this. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. But also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box can be 1. Oh, these two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. So we saw 2. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. Then let me see. I've 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Can I place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there? If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so 4. Is also connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from us 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. This one is connected with that box, should be a 2 and a 3, but we already have a 2 there, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Well, now 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Well. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. It's weekend, so have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.